Hello everyone, so first we are going to make a dumpling themed cartoon. Starting by making its body, we are going to make the eyes and the mouth. After that we are going to make the clothes. When it is ready, we are going to use variety of colors for coloring it, starting by using the green color sketch pen for coloring the clothes. When it is ready, you can use any color further you want for coloring this. Here we are using brown color for coloring the rope as well. Then we're gonna give it a blush effect with pink color and it is ready. Let's move ahead. Here we are making an elephant, starting by making the body of the elephant. First we are going to highlight the details like the ears and the teeth. After it is ready, we're gonna make the eyes and then the trunk. Then you can color it with any color you want, starting by using blue color for coloring this elephant. Here we have used sketch pens, but you can use any color you want as per your preference. When it is completed, we're gonna color the toes with black color only and the tail as well. Next we are going to make an ice cream cone, starting by making the ice cream and then the cone. We're gonna color it by using different colored sketch pens, starting by taking the red color and the peach color. Next we are going to make a cute tortoise. We're going to start by making its body. Then we are going to give the details on its face, taking the eyes and the mouth. Then we're going to detail its shell and it is completed.